don't know what it is, 'cause there's a monster in my body.
Hello, New York City. This movie was made from a true life perspective over 5 years. Over 5 years following one couple's journey with what Lyme disease does in someone's life.
That was the first time I heard of Lyme disease. I then began researching on the topic, reading everything I could.
We made this movie for you guys, and we want to tell you, don't give up if you're in a place, if your relationship's about to break, don't give up. If you think I can't do any more treatments, don't give up. Keep seeking, keep searching. There is always hope.
But I want to just thank you all for doing this film. I related to every single thing in the film.
My desire is also that the general public would know about this, and what really pushed me to allow Tony to film me and to get it out there is because I just felt like I had too many people in my own circle who didn't have any clue. I mean, when I got it, I had no idea what it was.
And I'll do anything it takes. I'll spare no expense. I will swallow any medicine that you think will work best. Just don't tell me that I'm faking. Don't tell me that it's all in my head.
You are representatives. You are a voice, just like I have a voice. And that is the way. You know, you light a match, it catches fire, and it spreads.
You're dealing with a disease that suppresses the immune system, and you're using an immune-based test. So there's something very illogical about that. And what you don't know, a positive test doesn't mean you have it, a negative test doesn't mean you don't have it. It takes complex interpretation.
It affects so many people, but at the same time, it's such a hushed thing. So the more awareness we have on Lyme treatments, the lower the price will become.
Can we chain people from the CDC in their chairs and force them to watch it? Would that be legal?
Yeah, that's right. Thank you guys. Good night.
Thank
God
you
bless.
so much. Thank you.